Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be looking at the 5 coolest apps to be exploring during quarantine. Most of the time, now that you're in quarantine, you're all working from home, which means that you come into less physical contact with anyone that you're working with, whether that happens to be a client or someone that is part of your team. So the first app that I would recommend is called Monday.com, and it helps you keep track of workflows and projects as part of a team. So for example, if you're working with a video editor and an audio editor and someone else that does something else, you can all keep track of everything on this one app and make sure that it's passed on to the correct team at the correct time. And the app allows you to add deadlines, teammates, budgets, and all sorts of other things, which allows you to keep everything in one place rather than having to go from app to app to app to make sure that you're all keeping on track. So the second app that I'm going to introduce you guys today is called the Preview app, and this is probably the best Instagram app that you could use, the best third-party Instagram app that you could use, and it allows you to upload all the pictures prior to uploading and see what it would look like on your feed, and then make sure that you can add a schedule to upload, so you can make the app remind you at a certain time of day to make sure that you upload at a certain time, and so on and so forth. So the third app is called Dash, and it's for those of you that own a business and would like to make spreadsheets a lot easier for everyone. And so this will allow you to integrate your business APIs, send emails, and even enrich leads while you're doing this at the same time. Number 4 happens to be Slack. So if you haven't heard of Slack, you probably don't work that much as part of a team, but if you do work as part of a team and you haven't heard of Slack, now is the time to download it. It's completely free of charge. All you have to do is download the app, add all of your teammates, and you'll be able to use it as a type of WhatsApp, but this is more business based. You can send files across the web and review files. Let's say you have a client to send something to you, send them that file over Slack, and they'll be able to add all your edits and stuff along to where you want it to come up to, and then they'll be able to send it back to you, and you'll be able to add those edits as and when you wish. Number 5 actually happens to be Fiverr. Now, if you haven't heard of Fiverr, Fiverr is a place where you as a freelancer can offer your services to someone who needs it, and then those people that do need it can go onto the website and then pick out the person that they would like. So now that you're in quarantine, most of you probably cannot go and look for clients, so you have to work remotely, and Fiverr allows you to do this safely. Now, those are the 5 apps that I would recommend to you guys to be exploring during this quarantine. If you do have any recommendations for me, make sure to leave it down in the comments below, and if you did like this video, to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't already, to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and if you're subscribed, to hit the bell notifications to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.